Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen today, the gold made a range of around, this is the low we have seen at a level of 3272 and a high we have seen at a level of around $30. Okay, this is the range we have seen today. Probability of going further low, we can see, because see, there is a trend forming which I have already explained you in my previous video. Chances was very high because this was the trend the gold was making. Okay, and as soon as the trend breaks downside, we have seen a further downfall. Okay, it has made a low of around 3272.595 and chances of going further low will be there because the trend is still in the downside. Okay, I'll show you with a C. The gold price depends on the events coming as well as dollar index, okay, Fed interest rate, CPI data, PPI data. These are the factors that influence the price of gold, and other factors are also there. So we will see the dollar index also, how the price is moving, because they are inversely related to it. Okay, looking at this particular chart from 2 days, it is a continuous downfall. So if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further towards 3263 and from there a level of 3259. Okay, a strong support coming at a level of around $32.48, and if the price started going and touching this level, we can see a bounce back can come, but if that didn't come, we can see a further downfall towards a level of $32.34, and then a bounce back can come, or it can move further low. Okay, and but if the price sustain above this level and goes above a level of around 33.26, then only we can see there will be a further rise, because we can see on the day wise chart that this resistance we can see. Okay, so if the price sustain this resistance, then only we can see there will be a further rise. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. It's trying to go higher, but chances are high that if the range breakout happens on the upside, then only we can see there will be a rise. Okay, because if you look at this trend, there is a chance of going further upside, and once started going above this level, probability of going towards 99.8 is there, and this level is already tested, so chances are it will cross this level, and from there it will move above a level of $100. Okay, and if that, there will be a zone breakout, so we will see the price will move above a level of 100.8, and from there it will go towards a level of $101.2, and if the price moving to this level, probability of going toward 101.5 to a level of 101.8, and then to a level of 102, and then a further upside. But if the price started falling below this level, chances of crossing a level of 98.5 is there, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 97.9 will go towards 97.5, and then a further low will be there. Okay, and then see, this is a U pattern is forming. So if the price falling below this level, it will fall below a level of 97.8, and chance of going towards 97, and then further low we can see. Okay, chances are high as soon as the price started going below a level of around $99. Okay, and if it started going above a level of around 99.9, then a further upside we can see towards 101.2 to a level of 102 also, and then a further upside towards 103.5. See, when I tell you that the dollar index started going upside, what we have seen, they are inversely related. So the gold price comes down, and the dollar index started going down, we saw the gold price goes up. This is what we have seen. Okay, because they are inversely related to each other. If we look at the gold price, you can see this is the day wise chart, so you have to understand your risk. Okay, your target, your SL, everything will be depend on day wise chart, because there is a different resistance and support. If we look at the 15-minute chart, 2-minute chart, and the day wise chart, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can move further down towards $32.63, and once started falling below this level, chances of going towards 32.58 will be there. Okay, if the price started going below that particular level, chance of going towards a level of around 32.45 is there. Okay, and once the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 32.34. Okay, and if the price moving below a level of 32.34, we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $32.12. Okay, and once the price falling below 32.12, chances of falling below a level of 3200 we can see, and then it can touch a level of 3194. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, we will see the price will fall further down towards a level of 3194 to a level of around $3174. Okay, and if the price falling below a level of 3174, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 3152. Okay, these are the supports I have told you. So from these levels we can, okay, but suppose if the price keeps sustaining over this level, what we can, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see the next level coming at a level of 3281, and from this level a bounce back can come. But if that didn't come, and if it's sustained above this level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 3300. And if the price moving over that particular level, chances of going towards a level of around 3328 we can see. And if the price moving over a level of 3328, we can see a level of 3345, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 33. After 3345, we can see the next resistance coming at a level of $3355. Okay, and once started sustaining of this level, probability that it will cross a level of around $3368, and chances 3368, because see, I am telling you all these resistance. So if the price sustain of this level, a further upside we can see. Oh, and then a further high towards a level of around $3370 also. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you need to